Alright, so the default SolidWorks template does have a tolerance block, but we do need to input values. So what you do is when you're in the edit sheet format, you can zoom in here, double click this note, and now we can start typing. In CATIA, to get this plus minus, you need to use alt codes. In SolidWorks, there's this little button right here. You click that, add symbol, and you have the symbols that we can add. And then there's a larger list as well. But we can hit plus minus. So for fractional tolerances, let's add 1/16. Angular machining, let's do 0.5 degrees. Bend can be plus or minus 1 degree. And then I typically don't like this 2-place decimal plus minus, 3-place decimal plus minus. I like the point x equals plus or minus. Go ahead and copy that a couple times. Paste, paste, paste. And shift X, XX, 4-place decimal. So for the 1-place decimal, what we do is 0.1, 0.03 for the 2-place, 3-place is 0.010, and 4-place is 0.0050. Then we want decimals are in inches, tolerances, yeah, that all looks good. Now we can see that it's slightly too big. For 1, move it up to the top corner. Okay, it's still a little bit too big, so we can highlight everything and move the font size down a little bit. And then to clean it up, there we go. So that's how you can edit a tolerance block on SolidWorks and get it how you want it to be. And then actually I want these to be all in a line. That looks better. There we go. That's how I like to do it.